to deposit a check on Chime bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to deposit a check on your Chime bank account. So first of all, just open your Chime account on your mobile app, or you can also use the web browser for that. And once you're there, just simply log into your account, and if you don't have an account here, just simply click on sign up and create an account for yourself. And once you logged into your account, and now as you can see that I am the official article page of Chime, and here it will list down the action that you have to take in order to deposit a check in your Chime account. So first of all, you have to be eligible for a mobile check deposit, and if you can deposit a check in your Chime app, you have to follow these steps in your mobile app. For example, you have to click on move money section from your bank account section, and after that just click on mobile check deposit, and then choose the type of the check that you want to deposit, and follow these steps that you will see in your screen, in your mobile screen. And once you are done following all the instruction, you have to be sure that you are taking the photo of your check. So place the check on a clean dark surface without any other items visible. Use good lighting for that, so that your check is quite visible, and make sure that all the four corners of the checks are visible in both photos. So you have to click on a front photo or a back photo of your check from both the sides, and after that just make sure that your camera is properly focused and the photo should not be blurred, and smoothen out any wrinkles or creases in the check. Make sure that the check in a good condition, and once you're done, just click on submit, and this way you will be able to deposit a check in your Chime bank account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.